Today we're gonna repair a rusty beetle that I just made today. Well, without you looking, certainly. Okay. This beetle would go fast. Okay, first we'll start with the engine. And then the body. And then I will start with the whole of it here then. No. This is not a racing car we're doing. Good. Okay, we'll get those those brakes. Oh, yeah. Nope. This is hard. Well, it's normally easy. Now we'll go on the body. Nope. Yeah, this one. See, I've added the roof on top. But it certainly goes fast. D-class. 350 kilometers per hour. But that build was nice. Okay. This is not a racing car. This is for street. I certainly know how to do burnout. It only takes automator to do burnout in first gear. Let's check. See, it's totally easy. Well, 350 is great. But I like the gear option better. High graphics off. I really don't want to have so many cars on my way and stuff like that. But this beetle repair was nice. I even added a rooftop on it. All the time we start with first gear. Must look like the old thing. Well, it is the old thing. But this car is totally clean. Let me just do it on the can. There we go. That will be clean. Let's make it more. This is gonna be hard, but it is easy. Now, for the rooftop, I've been working on this rooftop thing as a Herbie. As it is Herbie. But they look like Herbie because it has a rooftop. Herbie was clean white. Yep, Herbie was clean white. Well, I still love the Beetle. And I love Volkswagen Beetles. Let me just make the Beetle's rooftop. I'm gonna go here on the car. Make this up here. $236.
These are the wrong way.
255. This is the best clean. Okay. Okay. Let's try the line again. Perfect. Nice. Now the rooftop looks perfect. Let's open crates. But it looks so nice. 755. I'm not sure we need those. Cause we'll keep it power 870. Now we'll go here. Add better stuff like that. If I try gold. Nope. Flow R? Nope. Only bear exhaust. That looks like it. Only 35, 50, 60, 65, 75, 85, 95, all those bits. 95. Finally. But it's still not circle. This one looks perfect. This one will go fast. Finally, 353. Herbie may look good, but I don't care about it. I can make another one. Another Herbie. I prefer not the NASCAR one. They don't have the perfect spoiler for it. And some of you wall building Herbie, you only have the lines. That's for the NASCAR. No, this one. I'm not sure if Herbie had a turbo. Nope, he had an intercooler. It's definitely actually in the film. Okay, let's move on the engine. We'll move on. Oh yeah, I have to get these pistons. Let's have this one. We'll have racing tires. Oh yeah, I have the racing tires. Silly me. Well, he had ones like this. But certainly he is still the best. I use these ones, but I'll make them high. And are cooler. And tie externally. Okay. I think all of those are it. Better get the custom diesel. Great! I know some of you get the build all wrong. That's why I'll get the white paint. But this is the perfect one. I'll show you what's the perfect bit. He doesn't have to. I need those red ones. Tire. I need these ones. I know you've seen this mod from Happy Mods. Oh, there's a speed hack bit. But it's totally cool. I need another racing thing. I'll just work on the stuff on it. But really, it's still the best. White. I know it's not clean like the other. Look at the differences. Fine. Herbie bit is we'll just eat a whole bag of white. If I try. You know there are different types of Herbie. The Herbie where he didn't have his 53 and red and blue stripes. And you've seen them in some movies that didn't say that there were complete, that didn't have names of Herbie, like $1 Million Duck. Okay, time to move on the number. Hope the stamp number is perfect. Well, it is perfect. We'll place one here. And we'll place one here. Perfect. Well, the thing is, it still looks the same. Oh yeah, I forgot to move top. Okay. Oh, good. We still need the rims. And I just have the 2 classic rims. Well, good thing it looks the clean one here and the clean one there. But I don't think something's different between them. Nah, nothing's wrong. Okay, let's see, guys. I'll get those rims and the other kind of these rims and the rims of Volkswagen Beetle had. I don't need to sell them. I don't need to sell all the ones in the inventory. We'll just need to move here. I think. 140, 150. Let's see what kind of white are those. 140. Oh, so they're 140. But I don't care. We need to make this bug. Oh, super fast. X class. It doesn't have to be a B class in Forza Horizon 4. It has to be X class. Okay, let's see. Sienna, can you be quiet? I'm trying to talk to my viewers here. Still don't listen.
Talk to who?
Let's see. I still say the rims are best, so we'll take it for those ones. And it's Sterling X class. That's 100. We'll say something, but I can say something. Probably maybe 358 kilometers per hour. Okay, we'll take it to the street. You can also street race, but I don't know how. We'll take Automator and then Night. Oh, but that's my favorite map. Ugh, stupid cars. I turned off the high graphics. What? Well, thank you guys. Like and subscribe.